Hey guys, it is thundering and lightning out right now. I don't know if you can see it or not. It is pretty cool. That is so cool how it thunders and lightning. Ooh, that was nice. Ooh, that was cool.